Hello, traders. Today is the 12th of November, Thursday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best Forex trade analysis and the result. Just to recap, traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. As you can see on the left-hand side is the analysis, and the right side is the trade taken based on that analysis. As you can see on pound yen, this was the basically counter long trade. As you can see, we explained through live audio commentary that if the price is going to respect the previous low, which is price nicely respected, the safest way to trade if the price is going to break about the recent high. You can see it. This was the because keep an eye on the 4-hour analysis. This was the major support area. In the morning, we had a very another counter long trade on pound yen. Pound dollar, this was a pretty straightforward. You can see price nicely broke on this triangle pattern. Beautiful breakout short trade. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful pullback short trade on pound Swiss franc based on the momentum. Pound yen again, we had as soon as we have this counter long trade, we banked some profit, and then instantly we added another analysis. As you can see, because we're watching in 4 hours, so we explained to trader look for another breakout short trade based on the momentum. Beautiful. And as soon as the price hit to the previous low, we announced to bank some profit on pound yen. Euro yen, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. If you look at the previous price action, price broke on this one, and we were expecting the pullback. If you see, we couldn't find any red candle. Technically, we didn't see the price respected those level. So, but we need a safer trade. And as mentioned on the analysis, if the price gonna break after the breakout, if the price develop a pullback, as mentioned on the analysis, we had a beautiful pullback and price nicely hit to the first fib channel on Euro Yen long trade. Dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward, breakout short trade. Euro USD, because we're watching in 4 hour, and if you look at the price developed symmetric triangle pattern, and if you look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, and this was the beautiful breakout long trade. As you can see, price nicely hit to the first target. Beautiful long trade. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Look for this breakout. As you can see, based on the momentum, beautiful. We already have this breakout pullback short trade previously, and afterwards, as I mentioned, that if you look at even if you look at the price develop a bearish flag pattern based on the momentum, another breakout short trade. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. As you can see, the price developed sideways market because we're watching in 4 hour. Based on that, as you can see, the price refused to break the previous high and respected. And the safest trade, which we mentioned to trader, if the price is going to break this support, then we should be taking a short trade. Beautiful, because we found a very strong bearish momentum on pound dollar. In dollar yen, pretty straightforward, breakout short trade based on the momentum. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. You can see we had another beautiful breakout short trade. And dollar CAD, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. And as you can see, the price has broken this one. So we mentioned to trader, uh, if the price is going to break this pattern, which price nicely broken the previous high, look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, and afterwards we announced all these trade through live audio commentary. Beautiful breakout and pullback long trade on dollar CAD. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. The first priority would be the pullback short trade. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. We already had this breakout. We banked some profit. Afterwards, the price developed another pattern because we have seen in price was below the 200 EMA. As you can see, the price nicely respected the first priority as mentioned on the analysis. Look for pullback short trade. As soon as the price hit to the recent low, we mentioned to bank some profit on pound Swiss franc. Pound dollar, as soon as we see the price reverse, of course, we were expecting price might going to continue, but we need a valid technical entry. We can see this is another pattern develop as mentioned on the analysis, and we mentioned to traders the safest way to look for trade if the price is going to break this orange EMA. As you can see, the price nicely broken, and after the breakout, you can see another beautiful pullback short trade we announced through live audio commentary. As soon as the price hit to the recent previous low, we announced to bank some profit on pound dollar. Pound yen, pretty straightforward pullback to pullback short trade based on the momentum. Beautiful short trades. Dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Based on the previous price action, we're expecting another pullback short trade. But if the price gonna break or after the breakout, if the price is going to retest, which we mentioned in the analysis, which price respected previously, that's the first priority we mentioned to look for the pullback short trade. As you can see, beautiful pullback short trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, we mentioned to bank some profit on dollar Swiss franc. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. This one, another, you can see this was the triangle pattern breakout. Beautiful short trade. Pound Swiss franc, beautiful, another breakout. You can see price nicely respected because the traders was looking. We update technically we updated the previous analysis. Every time when the trader asks questions, we explain them the safest way to entry, and that's why we developed this another pattern, another analysis for them instantly. As you can see, as it is, this is the safest way to take a trade for the risk reward point of view. And we have announced another pullback short trade, and as soon as the price hit to the support level, we mentioned to bank some profit on pound Swiss franc. Beautiful short trade. Euro pound, as you can see, pretty straightforward, beautiful. We explained to trader, look, price nicely respected these two levels. So safest way to look for this triangle pattern breakout. Look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, beautiful breakout long trade. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the first target on euro pound. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward based on the momentum. Beautiful short trade as soon as the price hit to the first target. We announced to bank some profit on Kiwi dollar. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all this analysis. And if you would like to see all that analysis and the trade updates in real time with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have forex trading experience, most welcome to join our platform and watch how the professional trader analyze market and trading in real time. Even if you are struggling, definitely you will develop your trading skill in live environment alongside with our professional trader. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to make all that pips every single day alongside with our professional traders. So most welcome to join our fast growing trader community, and thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.